Documents. In this session, this is a DD based video lecture. Already we are informed in the case episode about the lathe. Now practically I see what are the different parts of the lathe. About different components of it, how it operates. The DD based video subject. That's the first thing was the empathy and another one. Next one. Ideate, prototype, testing. Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So this is the lathe. We have to different type of first thing you have to see about lathe. Define is how to study the lathe. First thing you have studied about the lathe in the case itself. Only the drawing itself. Now we are studying about the pattern. This is a defined process. And it's also ideate. All these models we have to do some models here. This is ideate itself. And finally, we do the testing set, we do some practical work on this one, on the lathe set, and we finalize it, whether it comes with the outcomes of right or wrong. Okay, in this lathe, this is what the bed is there. Mostly lathe will be designed where lathe will be identified to its specific length of it. Length will be on the bed length will be informed for you. It will be for the 7 feet length or 10 feet length or 6 feet length. This is 5 feet length. And it has a headstock. This headstock is loaded with the 3 jar chuck. And we will be having the 3 jar chuck will be, the 3 jar chuck will be located by the chuck key itself. We are loosening or tightening all the 3 will be simultaneously closing and holding the workpiece. Can you able to continue here?
This one is first turning tool.
Tool post and turning tool.
This one is front forward and reverse forward.
That is to reduce the diameter and to reduce the length will be facing and to reduce the diameter will be the turning application. This is a whole garage. Garage is moved by rotation process. And here is the tone. And what is this one? Yes, Ramesh.
Large
tailstock.
So large
If you are having a length of component, the component will be fixed with the headstock, and the others will be located with the tailstock supporting the top.
And this is for forward and backward, and using for oil. The maintenance is very important, sir. Since our maintenance is very important.
Many others. Come on.
Doing these machines which is full of run-off in motor ways. This is the main part of related to automobile sectors and the mechanical sector also. And then this is the output giving this, adjusting this, what are the shapes of welding, what are the thread also here can manufacturing. That's what easy to mechanical part.
How thread cutting is possible here?
Yeah, thread lighting is it's used to cutting this blade to here rod is using for that.
You will be having thread cutting tool here, and it will be engaged with the this spiral rod here. Okay. It will be attached to it. So as for this, it will be moving forward to have a thread cutting. This is knurling tool.
Okay.
This is knurling tool. And what is the purpose of knurling tool? What is the purpose of knurling tool? To have a knurling surface such that while turning any part, by say in the watch key, the watch has a key is there. The key is made for knurling for the grip part.
Like this.
Like so. So handling it like this one. You can see the grip here. This is the knurling tool has made the grip itself here. And this is the taper turning. For taper turning, there are 3 attachments we can here. Either we can swell the tool post to certain degrees, and the degrees will measure here. Here there should be degrees will measure. So turning this one, you are moving the part, it is moving from lower side to higher side. This is the taper turning attachment. And another taper, the separate taper turning attachment is there. Instead of the tailstock located, the fat surface, the angle surface or fat surface, it will be shifted to the other surface also. So lifting by the tailstock, lifting the other side, and you can proceed such that the tailstock will be holding a part in a sliding manner. With this we have done a DDBS video on the lathe system. And thank you for the session.